Hello everyone, welcome back to RayyanWebHub. In this video, I'll show you how to configure SMTP settings in RayyanMailHub Pro to send emails securely and improve email deliverability. First, open the SMTP settings page from your dashboard. Enter your SMTP host port number, username, and password provided by your email service provider. Next, choose the correct encryption method such as SSL or TLS, depending on your SMTP server. Enter the sender name and sender email address that will appear in your recipient's inboxes. After completing the settings, click Save Settings. It's always a good idea to send a test email to verify that your SMTP configuration is working correctly. A properly configured SMTP server helps improve email delivery, reduces the chance of messages going to spam, and provides more reliable email communication. That's it. Your SMTP settings are now configured and ready for your email campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to RayyanWebHub for more email marketing, and digital marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching.